Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to stay on top of their financial health: how to use credit monitoring tools effectively. Whether you're just starting to build your credit or you're a seasoned pro, keeping an eye on your credit is key to making informed financial decisions and protecting yourself from fraud. Let's explore what these tools are, how to use them to your advantage, and the best practices for secure and effective monitoring. Let's get started. To begin, let's define what credit monitoring tools are. Essentially, these are online services that allow you to track your credit score, get regular updates on your credit score from major bureaus, review your credit report, access detailed reports that show your credit history, including accounts, balances, and any changes over time, receive alerts, set up notifications for significant changes, like a sudden drop in your score, new inquiries, or suspicious activity. Popular tools like Credit Karma, Experian, and MyFICO offer both free and premium services, helping you maintain a clear picture of your financial health in real time. Monitoring your credit is not just about knowing your score, it's about protecting your financial future. Here's why it's so important. Stay informed. Regular monitoring helps you understand how your financial actions affect your credit over time. Catch errors early. Mistakes or inaccuracies in your credit report can lower your score. With prompt alerts, you can dispute errors quickly before they cause lasting damage. Prevent fraud and identity theft. Unusual activity, like new accounts or unexpected inquiries, can be an early sign of fraud. Credit monitoring tools send you alerts so you can act fast if something looks off. By staying proactive, you can not only improve your credit score, but also safeguard your personal information. All credit monitoring tools are the same, so it's important to choose one that fits your needs. When selecting a tool, consider frequency of updates. Some services update your score daily, while others do it monthly. Number of credit bureaus monitored. Ideally, choose a tool that covers at least one or two major bureaus. Alert customization. Can you set alerts for specific events like new inquiries or changes in your credit utilization? Cost. There are excellent free options, but premium services may offer additional insights such as identity theft protection or more detailed analysis. Take a moment to research and read reviews. Your choice will be the foundation of your ongoing credit management. But once you've chosen your credit monitoring tool, it's time to set it up for success. Here's how. Sign up and verify your identity. Follow the registration process and complete any necessary verification steps. Set up alert preferences. Customize your settings to receive notifications for new credit inquiries, changes in your credit score, any new accounts, or significant changes in your report. Link to your email and mobile devices. Ensure you receive alerts wherever you are. Review the frequency of updates. Decide if you need daily, weekly, or monthly updates. This may depend on your current credit goals or if you're in the middle of a dispute. By tailoring your alerts, you can focus on the changes that matter most to you and stay proactive in managing your credit. Credit monitoring tools aren't just for catching fraud, they're a powerful way to understand your financial behavior. Here's how you can use the data. Track your trends. Notice how your score changes with your spending habits. Are there patterns when you miss payments or increase balances? Set financial goals. Use your score trends to set specific targets, like reducing your credit utilization or increasing your on-time payments. Adjust your habits. If you see a dip after a major purchase or a missed payment, take corrective action immediately. Plan for the future. Use historical data to prepare for major financial decisions like applying for a loan or a mortgage. Using these insights can help you make smarter decisions and steadily improve your credit over time. Here are some advanced tips to get even more out of your credit monitoring tools. Integrate with financial apps. Many credit monitoring services can be linked with budgeting and expense tracking apps for a holistic view of your finances. Regularly download your reports. Even if you get alerts, it's a good idea to periodically download your full credit reports to review in detail. Use multiple tools. Consider using more than one credit monitoring service to get a broader perspective. Different tools may offer unique insights. Stay updated on credit scoring changes. Credit scoring models can change over time. Keep yourself informed about any updates that might affect your score. Secure your account. Always enable two-factor authentication and use strong, unique passwords to protect your credit monitoring accounts from fraud. These strategies can help you leverage technology to stay ahead of potential issues and maintain a strong credit profile. Let's consider a real-life example. Meet Maria. Background: Maria started using a credit monitoring tool when she noticed minor discrepancies in her report. She set up custom alerts for new inquiries and downloaded her full credit report monthly. Outcome: within a few months, Maria detected a small error, a duplicate inquiry, that was dragging her score down. She disputed the error promptly and saw a noticeable improvement in her score. Maria's experience shows that proactive credit monitoring can not only protect your credit from fraud, but also help you fine-tune your financial habits and boost your score over time. While credit monitoring is essential, it's equally important to keep your information secure. Follow these best practices. Use strong passwords. Create unique, complex passwords for each financial account. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security. Review privacy settings. Ensure your credit monitoring tool has robust privacy policies and that you're comfortable with how your data is used. Be wary of phishing. Never click on suspicious links in emails or texts, and always verify the source before providing personal information. By taking these precautions, you can safeguard your data while benefiting from the insights your credit monitoring tool provides. Let's recap what we've covered today. What credit monitoring tools are. They track your credit score, report, and alert you to important changes. Why it's important. They help you catch errors early, prevent fraud, and improve your financial habits. Choosing the right tool. Look for features, frequency of updates, and customizable alerts that fit your needs. Setting up and customizing alerts. Tailor notifications so you're informed of key changes without being overwhelmed. Using data to improve your habits. Analyze trends, set goals, and adjust your behavior for better credit health. Enhance tips and security. Leverage additional integrations. Use multiple tools if needed, and protect your personal information. These steps will empower you to use credit monitoring tools effectively and stay in control of your financial future. Thank you so much for watching this comprehensive guide on how to use credit monitoring tools effectively. I hope these tips help you stay informed, protect your credit, and make smarter financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from these insights. I'd love to hear your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you have in the comments below. Let's build a community that supports each other in financial success. Remember, staying informed is the key to financial empowerment. Until next time, take care, stay secure, and keep striving toward your financial goals.